what to do with the beautiful, nutritious, delicious tops of carrots. You make pesto. Well, some of you guys may have made pesto with me before, and pesto is it's a topping, a mixture that you can put on pasta, on pizza, and eggs with fish, and you can really make pesto with just about everything. What you're probably used to is basil pesto, using basil, and it's not summer, so we don't have ample amounts of basil right now. So what I did was took the tops of the carrots that we use to regrow, and I'm gonna make carrot top pesto, which is really delicious. So let's find out how to do that. And the first thing that you do is you chop the carrot tops. So you don't really want the stems, so you just chop that off, put that in your composter. I hope you're composting. And then you can just kind of loosely chop it because the Cuisinart's really gonna take care of a lot of it. So you just chop it up in a little bit smaller pieces, and then you add it to your food processor. And then here are the ingredients. Olive oil, it's about 1/4 cup. This is probably about 2 cups of carrot tops. 1/4 cup of olive oil, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. You remember salt brings out the flavor in the food, so it's really good. About a 1/2 tablespoon of, actually, let's use a tablespoon. A tablespoon of garlic. And we're gonna use 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. I don't have real lemons. Getting food right now is kind of tricky. So I'm gonna do 3 tablespoons of lemon. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then I'm gonna add some salt, and that's a 1/2 teaspoon. Oh, I already added my salt, so we're good with salt. And pepper. Of course, we need pepper. So sorry, I didn't have that ready to go. Got my pepper grinder. Probably about a 1/2 teaspoon, depending on how peppery you like it. I like things peppery, so I might add a little bit more. That works. And then you put your top on, and you pulse it. Sometimes with a food processor, you have to push it down a little bit so it doesn't all stay, especially when you don't have a big batch of it. This is just going to be a small little batch of it. So we need to go a little bit longer. And you can kind of pulse it. Pulse, 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 pulse. There we go. Ta-da. And then you pop it out. We'll undo that. We'll undo this. We'll take it out. And you've got some green, yummy carrot top pesto. Yum. I have my pesto in a little jar. I can either put it in the freezer or just keep it in the fridge and use it as I need it. I think I'm going to put it in pasta tonight, so that'll be good. You can make beet green pesto, arugula pesto, basil pesto, garlic pesto. Really just about anything. Cilantro pesto, lots of herbs you can do, and it makes the flavor stretch it out so that you can use it in a lot of different ingredients in different ways. And of course, garlic, lemon, salt, pepper, olive oil, you're just winning with all those ingredients. So try to make some pesto. Look up a recipe. It's really easy to make. You'll love it. Carrots are packed with nutrition, so load up, enjoy the pesto, eat carrots. Remember, eat a rainbow every day. You need the orange, grab it from the carrot. Yum.